I've been exploring the Sky Guide mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Sky Guide app. Sky Guide is an astronomy app designed to make stargazing simple and magical, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned sky watcher. Instead of flipping through paper star charts or random apps, this one uses your phone's sensors and camera to identify stars, planets, constellations, and even satellites just by holding your device up to the sky. It's like having a personal planetarium in your pocket. In terms of features, Sky Guide offers an easy-to-use augmented reality mode that overlays constellations and celestial bodies onto the night sky in real time. You get detailed info and stunning images for stars, planets, and deep sky objects, plus notifications for upcoming events like meteor showers, eclipses, or International Space Station flavors. The app works offline too, so you can explore the sky without internet or GPS. There's also a night mode with red lighting to preserve your dark adaptation when stargazing late. For enthusiasts, in-app upgrades unlock an even bigger database of stars, satellites, and extras like exoplanets and immersive cinematic tours. From my personal experience, the app feels effortless and captivating. I love just holding it up during an evening walk and instantly knowing what I'm seeing above me, whether it's a bright planet or a faint constellation. The AR view makes it fun to learn, especially when it connects stars into mythological figures right on your screen. Tracking satellites, especially the ISS, is exciting with timely alerts, so you never miss a flavor. On nights with little light pollution, I've enjoyed previewing celestial events in advance, which makes planning nighttime photography or just stargazing way easier. The app's interface is clean, the graphics are beautiful, and it runs smoothly on my iPhone without draining the battery too fast. That said, there are a couple of minor downsides. The app is only available on Apple devices, so Android users are left out. Some of the cooler features require paid upgrades, which might feel pricey if you only want casual viewing. Also, while the AR mode is generally very responsive, it can sometimes be a little off if your phone's compass isn't perfectly calibrated. Lastly, the constellation art focuses mainly on Western mythology, so those looking for a more global or scientific star map might want other options. Overall, Sky Guide shines as a visually stunning, highly educational app that brings the night sky to life in a way that's both fun and informative. So if you want to deepen your connection to the stars and planets without hassle, it's definitely worth a download, especially if you're already in the Apple ecosystem. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.